Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I've got myself and my puppies here today and they are live wires, so we're going to hear all about it. But today I have a special fashion box for you guys. It is Curateur. That's right, my Curateur came today and I'm so excited. It's been, I don't know, at least a month or two since I customized my box. The Curateur is a fashion box by Rachel Zoe, and she curates this box and she does a very good job, and it runs $125 a quarter. You can save a little bit if you do an annual contract, and I was lucky because she had contacted all of her previous customers and let them know that the price was going to go up, and if we wanted to subscribe then we could get it at the $99. And that's what I did. So I'll be getting this for a year for $99 a quarter. But if you want to order, it'll be $125. Now I will tell you, if you go on their site and just like let it sit for a minute or something, there will be a pop-up that will offer you $25 off of your first curated box. So, kind of, I guess, wait for that. It'll ask for your email and you'll put that in there and then it'll send you a code for that. But before we get into this box, I do want to welcome everyone to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say, hey, consider subscribing. This is just one of the types of boxes that we do. And we do collaborations, we do travel, we do beauty, and a few other specialty boxes. If you are my returning subscribers, I just want to say hello, especially to you, and I want to send out a special thank you to each and every one of you for supporting my channel and your friendship. And I appreciate your comments, and if you're new here, be sure and leave a comment and hit that notification bell, because that way you'll know my next video. But let's take a look. We're usually going to have about 5 items in here, and I get to customize 2, I think. So let's see what we got. This is Rachel Zoe right on top. This is the Curateur, as I was telling you. And then her curated box, the Premier Shopping Membership. And it says join our community, and they're on Instagram, so you can find them on there as well. And inside our spring curation, there's a little sneaky peek of what we're going to have. And they always have the box wrapped, and she's got her logo on there, Curateur. But we have several items. And the first item I'm going to go for is the Hue and Grace, the face serum by Hue and Grace. I've had this before. She had this probably in my first box, I think, which was a couple of years ago. And of course, I've since used it up, and I really liked the serum. It's a very nice serum. It's a restoring face serum. She says, I have been a huge fan of Hue and Grace's night serum for a while, so I am thrilled to include the daytime formula that's light and brightening. I apply it throughout the day, and I especially love using it in flight while I travel to get a flash of hydration. So I guess it's going to help for that too. That's kind of nice to know. Makes me wonder if it's got hyaluronic acid in it to help pull in moisture, because a lot of times that's what will happen on your face serums. And she said this is a restoring face serum, and it is a $95 value. And she does kind of guarantee that you're going to get at least a $400 value out of her boxes. So there's $95 worth right there, the Hue and Grace. The second thing that we have is by Natural Skin. This is an eye mask, and it says it retails for $48, and it says, I swear by this eye mask, this one will help you sleep seamlessly anywhere, and you'll look chic while you do it. Well, I don't know how many people's going to see me while I'm sleeping so I can look chic while I'm doing it, but that's what she said. And I'm going to pull it out here. It says it's a silk, I think. So I want to see what it feels like. For $48, it ought to be silk. It's very soft. Natural Skin, of course, is the brand. And like I told y'all, it's $48. It doesn't say if it's silk on here or not, but I think I read that it was. Maybe it's satin. Let me look on this website here. Yeah, it says a silk sleep mask, and it's $48. And that's probably why it's $48, is because it's a silk mask. That would make a little bit of a difference, for sure. Our next item was a choice item, and it's earrings. And I wasn't sure what color I picked. It's going to be in this little bag here. They got a value of $85, and they are Rendor brand, and it's a Victoria earring. And she says, in my opinion, you can never have enough loops. This one has such thoughtful details and unique design that makes me feel that I am getting the drama of 2 earrings in one. So here we go. Alright, well, I ordered the gold, which I kind of figured that I did, but I wasn't sure and I couldn't remember. Sometimes I think I'm going to order silver and I don't, because I mostly wear gold, but today I have on silver. But today I'm going to put on gold earrings because that's what I got. So let's try these on and see what they look like. I like that they're simple to put on. I have gotten some earrings from her boxes that seem to be very difficult to get on. And I like simplicity. Oh yes, I do. And I'm sure you all do too. I like these earrings, I can tell y'all right now. I think these are going to be my favorite in the box. So what do you think? I like it. I should have got silver too. Maybe I'll have to go in her shop and buy the silver ones. These are really nice. They're not too heavy, but they're good quality. And of course it came in this nice little pouch, and I'm just going to keep them on because they're really nice. And the brand was Rendor, and again, they had a retail value of $85. Now, item number 4 is the Walter Baker, and this is a day tripper bag, and this is a nice bag. The Walter Baker is a very nice curated, I guess, designed piece that is kind of like a staple for her. She seems to have this every year for summer and for spring. And this spring we're getting a white bag, and it's called the Day Tripper. And she says, I love that this bag isn't bulky. I know I'll use it for the beach and poolside, and when I need to bring along a few extra essentials. And I'll have to say it's very nice. On the bottom you've kind of got like a vinyl bottom where you can set it down, and then it's lined in this vinyl, or maybe it's faux leather. And then you've got this big zipper pull, which has a tassel on the end of it. Very nice. And then on the inside you've got the Walter Baker designer. And the whole bag is made out of a nice, I want to say, some type of vinyl that you would be able to wipe down. So if you got it dirty, you could wipe it down with a cloth very easily. And on the inside it is lined. It has one zipper pouch on this side, and then on the other side it has a place for like your cell phone, some lipsticks, and what have you. So I like that. That is very nice, and it will make a great bag for poolside or the beach. So I may take this with me on my trip to Cancun this year. So that'll be very lovely. And I guess the handles are made out of the same fabric that's lined and that's on the bottom. So very nice, very nice. I have a couple of other Walter Baker products, like I said, that she's, I guess, curated because she really likes it. It's one of her favorite designers. Now, the last item that I have is a Natasha Moore, and we could choose between mascara and an eyeliner, and I chose the mascara, the More Power it's called. This Walter Baker bag has a value of $198, but I want y'all to know the value of that, $198. And the mascara has a value of $28, which that's probably pretty typical. I get Estee Lauder, and I think Estee Lauder might be up to $30 now. So yeah, Mascara is not cheap anymore, is it? Let's see how the packaging is. Okay, here we go. We got it out. It's nice gold packaging. It's a $28 value. Natasha Moore is the brand. So, and I'm not going to open it because I don't need a mascara right now. But that is my choice of the second choices. So in this box for the spring 2023, I got the Natasha Moore mascara. We got the face serum by Pew and Grace. We got these lovely earrings. We got this nice little eye mask. And we got this Walter Baker day tripper for going to the beach or the pool, or if you're just going out, or if you're just going to go somewhere for over the night and need to throw a few things in. And that is my Curateur. And you let me know what your favorite is. My favorites are the earrings. I really do like them. And I would have liked them in silver too, but that's what I got. It's the gold today, and I'll be wearing them, don't you worry. Gold's my most used, or my favorite. Guys, that is my Curateur. Be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations and or giveaways that are currently going on. And as for Curateur, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.